हेलो लर्नर्स, वेलकम टू वीडियो खजाना। अगर आपने हमारा चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सब्सक्राइब इट फॉर मोर एजुकेशनल वीडियोस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर टुडेज सेशन ऑफ क्लास 10th साइंस बायो चैप्टर 6 लाइफ प्रोसेसेस पार्ट 2 न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स और फोटोसिंथेसिस। Like other organisms, plants also require food to supply energy to its various parts for doing their various metabolic activities. Green plants are autotrophic and synthesize their own food by a process called photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means to build. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants prepare food by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Clear? The food prepared is carbohydrate, mainly glucose, which is stored in the form of starch if it is not in use. Oxygen is released in this process. Here is the equation of photosynthesis, in which 6 carbon dioxide molecules combined with the 12 water molecules in the presence of sunlight in chloroplast, where glucose is formed and water and oxygen is also formed, and oxygen is a byproduct of this photosynthesis process. Here you can see a picture in which plant cells are absorbing sunlight. Carbon dioxide is entering in the cells. Water is also entering through roots and reaching to plant leaves, and reaction is taking place. Glucose is formed and oxygen is released. Clear, everyone? Now the process of photosynthesis involves some main steps. First is absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Conversion of light energy into chemical energy and splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. Please note it down, hydrogen and oxygen, and this oxygen released through stomata. Reduction of carbon dioxide by hydrogen to form carbohydrates. Location of the photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis takes place in the green leaves of plant. Not only green leaves of plant, green plant parts, it may be green stem also. Green pigment called chlorophyll present in the green leaves helps in absorbing energy from sunlight. Chlorophyll is responsible for absorbing sunlight. This chlorophyll is present in the chloroplast. This chloroplast is the dot-like cell organelles present in the green plant cells. So, photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast. Understood, everyone? Now, here is a cross section of a leaf under a microscope. You can see upper epidermis, that is the upper part of the leaf, which is covered by waxy cuticle. Below the epidermis, there is a palisade of mesophils. Below it, spongy mesophyll containing air spaces in between, and the lower epidermis, which is also covered by waxy cuticle layer. Lower epidermis contains stomatas, pores present in the leaves, stomatas, which is covered by guard cells. Clear, everyone? Here is one more cross section of leaf that is looking. This is looking very beautiful and informative also. Upper epidermis, mesophyll, bundle of sheath, vein, mesophyll, lower epidermis, in which guard cells are there to cover the stomata. Now here is a green plant cell in which dot-like structures called chloroplast, which contains chlorophyll, which is responsible for absorbing sunlight. These are chloroplast and which is containing chlorophyll, green chlorophyll you can see. And as you already know about the plant cell, there is a nucleus, a large central vacuole, cell wall, cell membrane, other nucleus, and main liquid which is filled inside the cell is cytoplasm. Now here is a very beautiful structure of chloroplast in which we can see various structures. Green plant cells contains this beautiful cell organelle chloroplast, which is responsible for photosynthesis. In this chloroplast there is three membranes: outer membrane, inner membrane, sorry, three parts: outer membrane, inner membrane, and stroma, which is a protein rich liquid in which DNA, RNA, ribosomes, enzymes, plastids, etc. are available. In this chloroplast, within the stroma, there is another membrane system, thylakoids. You can see the thylakoids bundled, circled. There are three membrane system which divides the chloroplast into three distinct internal compartments: intermembrane space, stroma, and thylakoids. Thylakoid lumen. Thylakoid membrane is network of membranes bound by flattened disc called thylakoid, which are arranged in a stack. This is called grana. The membranes of thylakoids are called fret membrane. This membrane of thylakoid is called fret membrane, and grana are interconnected. These grana, you can see this yellow part. This is called lamellae, which connect the grana. Clear, everyone? Each chloroplast may contain 10 to 30 granule structure. Clear? Yes. You can see each part, each properly labeled part of chloroplast. Understood? Now stomata, singular form is stoma. Tiny pores present in the leaves through which exchange of gases takes place. Each stoma has a pair of guard cells on the surface of a leaf which control the opening and closing of stomatal pores. Guard cells are responsible. When water enters in the guard cells, it swells and the pores opens, and when the guard cells lose water, it shrinks and the pores closes. Here are some images that I am showing you. You can see pores, stomatal pores. In first picture, pores are closed, And the third picture, in this picture, pores are open. So guard cells are responsible for closing and opening of the stomatas. Here some pictures showing the clear view of stomata. These are guard cells, which is also containing chloroplast. When water enters in these guard cells, pores open, and when these guard cell loses water, pores close. Clear, everyone? Here one more picture I'm showing you, in which exchange of gases is taking place through stomata. Carbon dioxide enters through these stomata, and after photosynthesis, oxygen is formed as a byproduct of the photosynthesis, which is also released through these stomata, controlled by the guard cells. Very clearly mentioned. Have a look. Okay, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please click on the thumbs up button and share it to your friends. And watch our next video on topic nutrition in nutrition in animals and human digestive system. Okay, bye bye.